don't even know what to say about this box right now. It is absolutely like destroyed. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are doing another unboxing. Today we have got the Fabfitfun for the fall season. I'm very excited about it. Now, first things first, I want to get into what happened to this box. Look at it. It is entirely, even on the bottom, like it is coming apart. I don't know what happened, and the boxes don't look the same as they used to. I don't know what happened. So full disclosure, I have already seen the stuff that's in this box because I opened it when I got it because there's a hole right down there at the bottom here, and then it looks like it was like taped back over. So I feel like someone tried to open it or something. So I had to make sure that all the items were actually inside the box. They are. So just for warning, I already know what's in this box this month, sadly, but I still wanted to unbox it with you guys, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and down in the description for you if you'd like to go check it out and follow me over there. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance. I love Instagram so much. But yes, let's go ahead and jump on into the lay box. So for those of you that don't know, Fabfitfun, this is not sponsored, but Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. So you get it every 3 months, I believe. So I think that's every season. So you get it winter, spring, summer, fall. So really, really fun. On top here, we have just a little pamphlet. It's kind of like a little magazine. It's a little magazine, and it shows you also what you can get inside as well, along with pricing. And the first thing that I see that is in this box is this right here. This is, oh, I missed this. I didn't see this in the box when I looked at it last time. Wow, okay, so this is called The Laundress. It's by The Laundress New York. It's crease release. I guess it removes wrinkles. Is this for your face? No, this is for clothes. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. This is gonna go straight to my mom. But that's actually really cool. It's actually like a crease spray to help you with like ironing, or maybe you can do it before you put the clothes in the dryer or something. That's super interesting. I had no idea that this was a thing. Oh, to aid with ironing. Okay, so you still have to iron. I thought it was like saying that you could just spray this on your wrinkly clothes and the wrinkles would just fall right out. That would be really nice if it did, but I don't think that's the case. I think you still have to iron it. Next up I see here, oh my god, these were so excited when I was so excited when I saw these. You guys know how much I am obsessed with sunglasses in general. So these are not sunglasses, nay. These are blue light glasses. I don't have any of these, like none, and I'm so excited about it because if you guys don't know, I do have a normal, like, it's not a 9 to 5 job. I work 12-hour shifts, so it's like a 9:30 to 10, like 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. shift. I don't know, but I work in IT, so I chat with customers and I look at a computer screen literally all day long, and then I make these videos and I edit the videos. So I'm looking at screens literally 99% of the time that I'm awake. But here are what these look like. They're so cute. They're very rounded. If I were to pick these out, I can tell actually already. This really already helps my eyes because I'm looking at a monitor right now, which is also a screen. If you can believe it. And I just put these on and it does make everything look a bit more yellow toned instead of so blue. So these are actually super nice. If I would have been able to pick out the shape, I would have done more of a cat eye shape because these are quite round. I still like them. I do like them quite a lot, and I'll be using them every day when I'm at work. I'm actually gonna do some overtime today, so I'm gonna use them while I do overtime. Next in the box we have, oh, this was really cute. This is by the Beauty Crop. I have heard this brand. I've used a couple of their palettes before actually. It's been a while, but I did like their palettes. They were super cute. And this right here, I don't actually know what this is. It says Glow Milk, but look at this little packaging. Like, oh my goodness, it's so cute. Glow Milk is liquid radiance in a bottle. Oh, this is really cute. Maybe that, oh, okay. I don't know why I keep going, oh, this reminds me of something from like Iconic London. This reminds me of like their highlight that you would put on underneath foundation. This is adorable. Look at this little packaging. I love this. I think you probably put this on. It says illuminating milk for face and body. Oh, well maybe then it's kind of like the ColourPop Soul, like body sprays. Achieve a healthy, luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of illuminating milk on the high points of your face. Oh, okay, so it's just highlight. Okay, so it's not supposed to go underneath anything, it's just supposed to be for highlight. I reckon it could go underneath your makeup if you wanted to do that, or you could put it like on your collarbones or something, just to kind of give you a little extra shimmer. This color looks beautiful though. I will say it may be a little too dark for me, so maybe this would, actually it's not, it looks great. Look at that. Oh! Oh yes baby, I love that actually. So I'm gonna use this definitely. Next in the box we have, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. If you see that white little container right there, that is my nighttime spray, like lavender sleep pillow spray. I love it and I use it all the time, and I think that is actually one that I got in a previous Fabfitfun. It's by the brand This Works, I think, but I'm actually running out of that, so here is another one. It's called Tranquility Sleep Mist. Okay, so it has witch hazel, lavender oil and rice water. Ah, fun. Can I smell it? Oh, it smells very calming. Yeah, I don't have the best sense of smell, but it does smell very calming. Like, it just smells very like fresh and like clean. The lavender is nice in here. It says formulated with powerful ingredients to relax your senses and soothe your skin. This calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. So, you don't put this on your pillow. Dang it! I thought you put it on your pillow. It's supposed to go on your face. Why? It says for all skin types. I guess you can just do this at night or something before you get in bed. The sprayer is pretty good, a little aggressive, but man, now I'm sad. I'm not really sad, but I will try this out before I go to bed. It could be like the very last step in my skincare routine to see how it, you know, kind of calms me down while I'm like watching YouTube or something, cuddling my dog. I love my makeup right now. I feel like I look like Steve Jobs. Except like a sexy Steve Jobs, because my shirt doesn't have a back to it. Okay, we got a few more things in here. Actually a few more. This is by Liquid RX. Is that the word liquid just spelled weird? I have no idea. But this is a stress reliever, 100% natural hair oil, which is actually super cool. I don't know how you're supposed to use a hair oil as a stress reliever, because I do have the one from Day Hair. That's actually one of the first hair oils I've ever used, and I genuinely like it. I use it after I get out of the shower and I put it on my damp hair and then I blow dry it. And I really think that it does something for my hair. Okay, and here is what it is. It says, use your fingertips to apply oil into scalp and hair, lightly massage, shampoo and rinse after 1 hour or later. Okay, so this is something that you do before you wash your hair. I have to remember this stuff. Oh, I don't smell anything. I don't really smell anything, but then again, I don't have the best sense of smell. But it's just like a oil. Let me see what it feels like. Oh, it's actually a bit thinner than I was thinking. It's that Day Hair hair oil is actually pretty thick. This one is a little thinner, but I will try this before I wash my hair next week. I washed my hair yesterday. It's Monday as I'm filming this, and I washed it on Sunday yesterday. So next time, like next Sunday, whenever I wash my hair again, I will try this out before I wash my hair. I'll have to like put it somewhere where I can see it to remember to do that. But this is actually really cool. I'm super excited to try this out because it says put it on your scalp. And if you guys remember, I've been really trying to figure out some things for my scalp. I think I found something that really did help, so I'm excited to keep using it. We got more stuff in here. This is by Volition. It's a celery green cream. Hyaluronic acid plus peptides. Ooh, is this moisturizer? Your skin will be juiced. I like my skin juiced. I don't know what it is though, but ooh, this looks so fancy. This reminds me of pharmacy. Like, it reminds me of like their Daily Greens moisturizer. It says, apply to face and neck, décolletage twice daily for external purposes only, obviously. So maybe it's just moisturizer. That's what it kind of seems like. Maybe you can use this as like a daytime moisturizer or something. Ooh, it's quite watery. and it's like jello. It feels really nice. It actually feels a bit more watery, so I feel like this would be really good for maybe a daytime moisturizer. My skin is so dry that I usually use a nighttime moisturizer for daytime, but I would definitely try this. You know, I probably need to branch out a little bit. I've gotten so stuck in with my Youth to the People moisturizer because I love it so much. It has done so much for my skin. It's my Youth to the People, I'll show you. Is this one right here, the Aptigen Deep Moisture Cream. This one, I love this so much. This is like my third or fourth maybe container of this. I would purchase it every single time because I don't know why I'm going off on a tangent like this. This is great, in my opinion anyways. If you have dry skin, I would highly recommend trying it out if you haven't already. But I know everything's different for everybody, so what works for me may not work for you. But if you haven't tried it, I'd recommend it because it is great in my opinion, so yes. But I use that for morning and night. But maybe I can try using this for like daytime or something because it looks great. It looks very pretty. I've never seen this brand before or heard of the brand, but it looks nice. All right, got two more things in here. And then this one right here is actually from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is a clear brow gel. I always love trying new makeup products and new brow gels, new anything. So I've heard a lot of good stuff about this before, so I wanted to just give it a shot and try it out. I already have brow gel in my brows right now. How many times can I say the word brow? So I already have it in there right now, so I'm not going to use this at the moment, but the next time I do my brows I will use this because I have obviously heard a lot of good things, so I'm super excited about that. And last but certainly not least, this is something that I am so excited about. This is a backpack, okay? Oh my goodness. Look, it's like a little messenger backpack. I am obsessed with it. I love the fact that it's so square and it has an inside pocket. Right here, it's pretty deep, and then it has two center pockets right here. I love this. I am obsessed with it. I can't wait to use it. I will have to see which one is bigger. I have a feeling that my backpack that I currently have is going to be bigger than this, but I love the straps because it's so cool. It says New York on it, and it says, I have no idea how to say the brand, but the straps are so cool and they're adjustable. This is the brand, by the way. Back here, now you can see the straps. Look how cool that is. So I'm super excited about this. I cannot wait to use it. I think I'm gonna transfer my stuff from my purse into this one because it's also black and it matches literally everything. So that has to be my favorite thing out of the box, absolutely. I think that's it, by the way. That's everything in the box. But yeah, no, I love this box. I thought this box was killing it. I thought it was great. The only thing was that the box itself was really destroyed, and I honestly thought that someone stole my shit. But I have to say, my favorite things out of this box are 100% this backpack. These glasses right here, and honestly, I'm excited about everything. And probably this right here, because I would like to try a new daytime moisturizer and kind of just see, but I liked everything. There's not one thing in here that I was like, nah, about. So yeah, you guys, that's everything in the box. Let me go ahead and pull up this little pamphlet here and see what the price of everything is. All right. So the Anastasia clear brow gel is $22. Wow. Oh, it is liquid. That is how you spell it. It's just spelled that is how you say it. It's just spelled a really crazy way. The liquid stress reliever hair oil is $75. Wow. And then the Laundress New York, the crease release, actually I feel like this is my least favorite thing, but I still like it anyways. But this right here is $16. And then that Hive sleep spray is $22. Oh wow. Okay, so that backpack is $100. Very nice. I love that. The celery green cream is $55. And then my glasses were $45. Very nice. I think that's it. Oh no, my beauty crop. Yeah, the Glow Milk, that is $19.50. So you guys, my box came to a total of $354.50. That is insane. You do pay, I want to say it's $50 every 3 months or every season for this box, and I believe there's at least a value of like over $200. It could be more than that, but I want to say $200. And I gotta say, I loved this box. I thought it was fantastic. And yeah, that's a lot of value for $50. And it's a lot of stuff that I'm actually going to use. It's stuff that, you know, it's not just like random stuff that I'm never going to use or stuff that's just gonna sit around and everything. I'm definitely into it. I'm so excited. I can't wait for winter's box. I hope there's a beanie or something like that. I don't know. But you guys, that has been the box for this month. If you, or this season, if you got the box as well, what did you get? Did you get some of the same things that I got, or did you get different things? I would love to know. Please leave it in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I posted when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!